Hey friends, there are so many bugs. I feel frustrated.
Listen to some music and relax yourself.
Hey, let's try out our new project, Musicker.
Switch in Python project. We can add a song or remove them all. It has a support section too, a play and a stop option with a volume slider. Let's play out a song.
बहती हवा सा था वो उड़ती पतंग सा था वो कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो
Hey friends, I'm Ayush Agarwal, a second year undergraduate student at Galgotia's University. I, with my friends Nishant and Anshul, are going to present a tutorial on a Python based project, Musicer, a music player. In this tutorial, we will use the tkinter library to create the user interface and the Pygame library to play the music. Python GUI tkinter offers multiple options for deploying GUI. Out of all the GUI methods, tkinter is the most commonly used method. It is a standard Python interface. Python with tkinter is the fastest and easiest way to create the GUI applications. Pygame library is a cross-platform set of Python modules which is used to create video games. It consists of computer graphics and sound libraries designed to be used with the Python programming languages. Now, our next speaker Nishant will be explaining you the code.
Hello everyone, I am Nishant Srivastav, a second year computer science engineering student from Galgotia's University, and I am going to explain the code base of Musicker app. Musicker allow you to pause, play and manage your favorite songs on your computer system. Let's dive into the code and explore the important section of the project. Let's get started with the dependencies. We import some libraries like Pygame library for audio playback and Mutagen for handling audio dataset that ensures the file type is correct or not. Additionally, we import other requested libraries such as OS for file operation and threading for multi-threading supports. Now coming to the user interface, that is the most attractive part of the project. Using a suitable library like a Deer, PyGUI and tkinter, we create a user-friendly interface that includes features like song list, play, pause and stop button and a volume slider for controlling music playback. We will see all the UI setup later. Firstly, we will see the classes and the functions for their specific operations. This is the volume controller function helps to control the volume of the song. Now coming to the song database management. Storage management is the most important part of the project. To manage the songs, we implement a song database. The database stores information such as song title, artist, and the file path. Whenever a new song is added, we update the database by appending the relevant details. This ensures that the added song persists even after the restarting that application. Data of the musicer always store in the JSON format in the songs file. Now coming to the playback functionalities. The core functionality of the musicer lies in the playback compatibility. When a user selects a song from the list and click on the play button, the corresponding audio file is loaded using Pygame. The song start playing and we provide options to pause, resume or stop the playback. To ensure smooth playback, we may use separate threads to handle audio processing while the main thread handles the user interface updates. These are the functions of the Musicker app: play function, pause function, add files function, add folder function, search function, and remove all function. Now coming to the attractive part of the Musicker, that is a implementation of the UI UX in the component of the application. These all are helps to make all the coloring text, themes and so on, just like a cascading style sheet in HTML. You can see that it gives the styling to the buttons as active, hover. Also you can see the styling for the sliders also. Now this function is used to show that which song is playing currently from the directory. There is also a styling part. Yeah, see the add separator. This is used to separate the windows in two parts. Yeah, there is a one important library, that is a web browser, that helps to the route Python running program to the browser. This links the GitHub repo to the support button. Now we know that the function works only when it being called. So the last thing is to call all the previous functions to complete their functionalities. Now I'll show you the running process of the code. So the window is open and see, I'm going to add a song and see the song is added and click on it. Yeah, it's working.
Hello everyone, I am Anshul Agarwal from Galgotias University, second year BTech student. In this tutorial, we learn how to make a music player using Python. We use the Kinto library to create the user interface and the Pygame library to play the music. Additional features. We can add many additional features to our music player. For example, we can add a volume slider, a seek bar, and a repeat button. We can also add the ability to create playlists and to save our settings. Conclusion. This is just a basic example of a music player that can be made using Python. With a little creativity, you can add many other features to make your music player even more powerful and useful.